And overnight, authorities in South Carolina said they're investigating a shooting near an energy facility. The sheriff in Kershaw County tells local media that energy...
This is the story of a 30-year search by U.S. intelligence agencies to perfect mind control. A decision was made at the highest levels of the CIA to do testing on unwitting Americans, agents who would perform tasks contrary to their own good. As one CIA document says, such testing would be operationally realistic.
It was a remarkable film.
We knew we were crossing the line.
The aim is controlling an individual to the point where he will do our bidding against his will, and even against such fundamental laws of nature as self-preservation.
Hey, those are bad guys. Those are enemies. November 15th, 2024. What is that supposed to be? No, you can't walk.
And a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.
Get 5 boneless wings for $1 with any handcrafted burger, only at Applebee's.
Get inside! Get inside! Get inside! Get inside! Get inside! Jesus Christ, that was close. Wait, Black Ops? All right, Black Ops. What do you...